Most of my major tools are located just around the tripod. My table saw, radial arm saw, chop saw, thickness planer, and a hanging cabinet just behind the camera which holds my nail guns and sanders and circular saws, glue bottles, and other miscellaneous items. But on the wall behind me, as you can see, I keep most of my cordless tools and the battery chargers and drill bits. But it's a little inconvenient to get to because every time I want to use my impact driver, let's say, I have to go around the table saw and the scrap bucket and the movable shop cart, and it just doesn't work for my applications. So what I'm planning to do is to move this wall in front of the hanging cabinet, but put it on some sort of roller system so I can still access the tools that are in the cabinet, but these things will be a little easier to get to when I'm doing a project in mostly that area over there. So that's the plan, and we'll see how it goes. I'll be making this project using a pocket door hardware kit purchased on Amazon, as well as 2 casters I picked up at my local Ace Hardware. I measured the width of the casters so I know how wide to make the dado which the wheels will run in. I marked the location of the ceiling joists, center punch using a nail and hammer, and drill out the holes on the drill press. Next, I check how off my joists are, shim where it's needed, and screw the top track to the joist. Then over to the table saw, and I cut the main panel to size. The 2 bottom supports get cut next. With the dado stack in, I cut the groove for the wheels to guide in. A minor shift to the fence, and the dados are made a 1/16 bigger than what I measured on the wheels earlier. And the wheels roll easily in the groove without much side-to-side play. I cut the top and bottom rails, and then cut a 3/4 inch dado for the plywood panel to fit snugly into. I mark locations for screw holes and then pre-drill, ensuring the holes are going into the dados. I ensured there was a tight fit of the panel into the top rail. Here shows a perfect example of why I want to move the tools. I then pre-drill, going through the rail and into the plywood panel. But now I need the impact driver. And back over to the tool wall. It's only a few steps, but the new location will make workflow a lot faster. These are the brackets that hold the pocket door wheels. I ensure the screws go all the way through into the plywood panel. I attach the bottom rail the same way with just regular wood screws. I also screw on the casters, but I didn't catch that on video. I'm going to hit the edges of the bottom support board with a roundover bit on the router table. I'm going to take the drawers out of these so I could use a clamp to hold on the end boards. Making sure everything is lined up even, I use drywall screws to secure the 2 support rails. I had to cut a corner out of the bottom rail because every time I slid the wall back and forth, it hit the knobs on the drawers. After a little spray paint, the tools get laid out, and then I call this project complete. I'm happy with the outcome and look forward to a better workflow. Thanks for watching.